welcome back to the channel. It's Ella, and today I'm here on the Disney Destiny, and I wanted to give you guys a quick room tour of our room. We are in a family veranda on deck 11. Our room is 11532, so let me give you guys a quick tour. Okay, so here is where we are located. The elevators are literally right over here and the stairs, and then right out here is where all the food is. Let me show you guys how close it is to the deck. So when you walk out, you're just going to walk right down the hall, and then once you get here, you're just going to turn, and there's the stairs, the elevators, and the deck. So it is really close. It's only like 6 rooms away, so it is really nice. On the right, we have our closets. The first one is going to have some life jackets at the top. You've got some hanging space, 2 cubes, a safe, and then another cube and 2 drawers. And then in the other one, you have some space above, some hanging space, a ton of it, and then you also have your ladder for your bunk bed. Speaking of storage, you also have a bunch of shelves, which is really nice because you have a whole closet, and then if you want to put your bags or whatever little things you got, you can put there too. And then you have your split bathrooms, which is one of my favorites with Disney, because in here you have your shower, and then you have a sink, and in the shower they also provide you with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I use these a lot. I really like them, but if you have a specific one, then I would recommend bringing it. But it is nice and pretty big, and the door does swing in and out, so you can get in however you need to. You also have multiple different shelves, and then a shower wand. You also even have a clothing line so that it can go from all the way to there, so then you can dry your bathing suits or whatever you need. And then this is your sink. You'll have a little trash can down there and then some extra storage. You also have a couple extra shelves right up here too, and some lotion and a makeup cloth. Something I also love is the full-length mirror. It's perfect because that way you can see your outfits when you're getting ready. The other one is where your toilet and your other sink is. And again, they have tons of shelves. So they've got 2 more here, and then you also have these 2 on this side, or 3 on this side, which is nice. And you even have 2 little hooks in here too. Also, something I love about this room is the carpet. Like, look at it. And there's even little hidden Mickeys throughout it. I love it with all like the stars. Okay, and then for the main room, we have our main bed with the artwork. I love the artwork on here. I think it's so nice. It's so fun. And like, look at little baby Jack. He's so cute. It's the whole family. Each side of the bed, you're gonna have a lamp, a little reading light, and then you have some different outlets and even a little drawer next to you. And then on the other side, you pretty much have the exact same thing, except your outlets are just a bit different. Also, something I love is this Destiny blanket. Isn't it so pretty? I love it with all the little like stars. And then on this side, you also have a big TV, which is pretty nice because then you can watch different movies and things on it. You do have a privacy curtain that can go all the way across if you wanted, or you could just leave it tucked away like that. And then this room does sleep 5. So you have 2 here, and then you have 1 person on the couch, which will fold down, and then 1 person up high, which will also fold down later. And then you also have this Pullman bed. So later at night, your room steward will come in and they will pull all of this down, and this will turn into like a bunk bed, and that one will fold down for you. Then in the morning, they will put it all back like it is now. Something I do love though is the couch. It's so pretty. It almost looks like it might have like glitter almost on it, and I love the color. You even have a little sea table too. And look at this Incredibles picture. I love this one. It's really fun too. You have this whole cabinet with a ton of different cubes to put even more stuff. So there's a ton of storage in this room, which is really nice. Tons of bag space, shoes, clothes, everything. Okay, then on the other side, we have this really cute photo of Jack Jack. Isn't he so cute? And then if you had the room next to you, this would be your door to get into the other side. If not, you don't have to worry about it. And then you have your vanity here. So you've got a ton of shelves, perfect for like Mickey ears and things. And then you have some cups and even more outlets here. And then you have this big mirror with a light, 2 more shelves, and a phone. And then down here you have a trash can and recycling. And then you have a bunch of drawers. This one has like some envelopes and your breakfast menu and these little pictures that you can take home with you. And then in here you have a hair dryer and then just a couple more drawers. And then lastly, you have your little beverage cooler, which can fit like a bunch of different like drinks. Okay, and then for the best part, the veranda, you have some curtains, and then you also have a child safety lock up here. I love the verandas. I think it's so nice, especially at sea. I'm gonna have to like insert a little video because it is so beautiful at sea and Castaway. Right now we're at port, so it's not as pretty, but you do have 2 chairs and a table and a decent amount of space. So yeah, that is a room tour of 11532 here on the Disney Destiny. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe found it helpful if you're staying in this room or one like that. If you haven't yet, please make sure to like this video and subscribe down below and follow along for more. We have a bunch of Disney Destiny content coming up, and so make sure you're following along so you can watch all of those. I'll link down below all the ones that I have so far. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!